you guys good on stage with drums, or does anybody need anything? No? All right, we'll move on to bass.
Bass DI.
I don't see bass DI.
You have Phantom on that?
I do.
Oh.
See bass mic.
So do I. Will you keep playing or not?
Huh? Sorry? Oh no, I was talking to him about was that something that was repatched?
Yeah, I told you.
Let me give you a little bit. No, I didn't. There isn't any. Oh, you might have been hearing it from my phone. That's good. All right, we'll take your guitar next. Guitar on stage. Are we all good? Do you need guitar?
I think what's there should be all right.
I didn't put any wood thing in there, so you might be hearing it from the PA.
I'll get it somewhere.
All right, if you're okay with that, then we'll take your vocal.
Check one, hey, 1, 2, hello, 1, 2, check. Hey, hey, check 1, 2, 1, 2, check.
2, hey, hey, hey. Testing 1, 2, 3, check. Check 1, 2, hey, hey, yeah. 2, 2, check 1, 2, hey, hey, 2, check 1, 2, 2. Check 1, 2, hey, hey, yeah.
Cool. You good with that?
I like it.
All right. Mr. Drummer, do you hear everything you need to so far?
So far.
All right, cool. All right, let's do a song. See what happens.
Ready?